Yo, what is going on everyone? My name is Chad. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a little while since I've had any content. I've been going through some training, traveling, and I've relocated my home to Michigan. Now that I'm here permanently, I'll have some more time to bring y'all some new awesome content. And today I'm really excited to bring you the Onewheel XR. This thing is freaking awesome. I've had it 2 weeks now. I've already got the hang of it. I'm not a skateboarder, I'm not a snowboarder, I can barely ski, but I'm enjoying the hell out of this thing. I'm gonna take y'all to the park with me and my wife Rachel today. We're gonna ride this around, have a ton of good footage for you, hopefully some of my tips as a newbie, and I hope you all enjoy. Appreciate it.
What is a Onewheel, you might ask? A Onewheel is a self-balancing electric board sport, recreational, personal transport, or more often described as an electric skateboard. Onewheel was invented by Kyle Dirksen, the CEO and founder of Future Motion. Future Motion was founded in 2013 and is headquartered in Santa Cruz, California. Manufacturing of the Onewheel is completed right here in the United States out of San Jose, California. Onewheel has two main boards available to purchase right now, the Onewheel XR and the Onewheel Pint. This is the flagship model, the Onewheel XR. The XR is the larger of the two models. It has a higher range, a higher top speed, and a larger, less rounded tire. The range of the XR is 12 to 18 miles, and the recommended top speed is 19 miles per hour. For reference, the Onewheel Pint has a range of 6 to 8 miles and a top speed of 16 miles per hour. Okay, but what's it cost, you ask? The XR retails for $1,799 US, and the smaller but still capable Pint retails for $950 US. Onewheel has tons of accessories to up the price, such as fenders, bumpers, rail guards, charger port covers, backpacks, turbochargers, all kinds of stuff. Unfortunately, a lot of the stuff directly from them is a little overpriced in my opinion. I personally ordered a fender, rail guards, and a charger port protector. I think the fender is a must-have. If you're going over any kind of gravel road or gravel trails or anything with a bunch of rocks, it all gets kicked up on the board and on your pants, as you can see here. If it's mud or water, that'll get on your pants and shoes as well. From my experience, those rocks can work their way underneath your shoes and between the foot pad and your shoe, basically making it a little slippery while you're standing on the board. I've had to get off and dump the rocks off several times just so I get a good grip again on the board.
I've actually got some of the mini things coming to put on the front. I've read a lot of reviews. Some people say they're great, some people say they aren't. Going down a hill like this, especially if you're up at a higher speed, it is nice to have. If you were to nosedive or anything like that, it's super helpful. But it gives you a chance at either trying to save it or potentially running it out. You know, if your front end dives down right now without fangs, it's just gonna dive right in and you're essentially going off the front.
So why pick a Onewheel? The Onewheel is more capable than just about any other board out there, and it's a hell of a lot of fun to ride. Unlike a skateboard or even one of those traditional side-by-side hover boards, the Onewheel is not easily stopped by grass, gravel, or trails, as you can see here.
Ooh, weeble wobble. Trail riding's a whole different type of thing. This trail is really not bad, but it requires so much more balance and correction to the board, little micro corrections to keep it level. So I feel like this is one of the best ways to really enhance your skill is any kind of trail. Get on there, get used to the jolts, and see if you can learn to balance. Like that was a really big root. I don't know where this goes. Whacking the shit out the camera. The roots are what suck because it instantly turns your board dramatically, and it's not a micro correction anymore, it's a huge correction. But this is a pretty hard trail actually. It's just narrow. There's no way I could fly through this. Narrow with a ton of turns. Big root. As long as it doesn't slip, we're all right. A week ago, I couldn't have rode that hill. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna be able to ride this because of the leaves. Oh my gosh, it went over all of them. I'm impressed. It's a Onewheel. All right, now if this was my first time riding, a soccer field is really bumpy, right? But it's really soft. So this is actually probably one of the places that, this is where I wanted to go to learn. So I won't say I recommend it to you because each person's different, but if you want to learn how to ride, it's bumpy as hell, but going nice and slow, like if there was an issue, I'd be able to jump off here in no time. Your soccer field may be less bumpy than this. I'm sure this soccer field does not have any kind of sprinklers or anything like that. But I mean, if you had some nice turf, or if you could get to a track or something like that, you know, be respectful, but I think that'd be a really good way to learn on this thing. I mean, this would not hurt at all to fall.
When you ride it for the first time, take it slow. Hold on to something or someone at first, and most importantly, wear protective equipment. Now I'm going to show you some footage and commentary from my wife. She's not your typical adrenaline junkie, she's my beautiful Southern belle, but she got the hang of it pretty quick and now wants one of her own.
Don't laugh at my commentary. Can I just do it like that? Is it an up the nose shot? Yes, this is terrible. Y'all are gonna see my double chin. I hope he cuts it out. Okay. Oh no, I can't go down that. My husband has me on this thing. Whew. I need to show him that I can ride it so we can get a pint. I've been biking like 4 miles. My feet and legs hurt. And then you gotta use your muscles to stay stabilized on this thing. So it takes me about 5 or 10 minutes to get pretty comfortable with this thing, and then I'm able to go and not worry too much. We went to the park a couple weeks ago and I practiced on the basketball court. It was really smooth, and practiced how to turn, and that was really helpful. My thing is I'll get comfortable and then I'll start cruising, and then I realize I'm going fast, and then I freak out, and then I slow down. And after a little bit of riding on this thing, it makes my feet hurt. Specifically my left foot, my dominant foot. We go to the park and I ride my bike all the time, up hills, down hills, through trails, and I'm over here dying while he's just easily moving along on this thing, not burning a calorie. Yesterday we came out and he ran 2 miles and I followed him behind on this thing. That was nice. I've only fallen one time on this thing. We were in a field and it was really bumpy, and I lost my balance and I tried to jump backwards and fell. We made it. I didn't die. Yay. Alrighty, time to hop off. I survived.
Nailed it.
If you ever feel the board lean you back, it's called Kickback. It's a little more pronounced on the smaller pint than on the XR though. If you feel kickback, respect it. A large majority of injuries are a result of pushing the board too far. One last thing I want to mention. You can see your speed, distance travel, battery remaining, and more from the app that connects to your phone via Bluetooth. This thing is a hell of a lot of fun, and I'm happy to have joined the float life. If you already own a Onewheel or plan to soon, stay safe and respect this awesome piece of machinery.
All right, y'all, appreciate y'all hanging out for the ride. I hope you enjoyed the tips. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put them below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the like button. We'll catch y'all next time. See ya.
Bye.